He wanted to be a fighter pilot. We don't have the money. He made it happen. Now, on his 16th birthday, Jive went to the DMV with his mother along so that he can get his driver's license and then drive himself to the airport that afternoon so that he could solo for the very first time. Well, Jive didn't pass the F-15C Eagle. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because this was a young man whose parents could not afford his flying lessons, but he made it happen. And just like our friend Dewey Larson with Dream Big Entertainment, Jive had big dreams and he did dream big. He went on to amass over 3,400 hours of flight time in the Eagle, including combat time in the Gulf War. At the end of an Airshow pilot.
That seems to be, and that is one wonderful story.
Well, I think it's a wonderful story because it is because of that program that I was Wild Blue. The T-28 we call Mad Dog. The T-33, former Vintage Thunderbird. L-39s, including Team Race 11, Aero, Aero Sports, Jet Team, S211s with our friend Scott Barnsworth. Now in 2019, the reason we call this Team Race 11 is Jive attended the Reno Air Race Pylon Racing School for the barrels per hour, the Vampire in qualifying. We returned to Reno after that brief interlude we all took from the air show and air racing community in 2020. In 2021, we returned to the L-39 Team Race 11's main aircraft in the jet class.